that gentleman that's buying that house in Dallas County, he had gotten pre-approved with another lender, and that lender quoted him taxes at 400 and insurance at 200.
Oh, well, that's
He,
probably
he just wrote a standard cookie cutter quote to try and win the deal. Shady, very shady. I went to the effort of calling John, the insurance broker, and saying, hey, I need a real genuine estimate for this address in this scenario, this age roof. And he's the one that said, look, you can get a great policy for $800 a month. You can get a good policy for $600 a month. He said, I can get you another policy for about $450 and it's going to be bad. Well, that's not anywhere close to $200 or $250, whatever he was quoting.
not at all.
And what made me even angrier, the tax number he gave wasn't even close to being
It
accurate.
doesn't sound like it was close.
He made no effort to do the job correctly. He just expected the deal.
Yeah, and maybe that was a part of just being him being lazy or inexperienced, because most insurances right now are probably around that $250.
You got to
a
know
month,
your market.
but you got to know your market. You got to know your
Texas is a pretty big
your
state.
counties, what's going on with insurance in general. That comes with doing it often.
Right.
The tax number sounds kind of crazy because $400 taxes. I mean, I
wish.
I think I'm at least paying 5 or 6. Like, like that's not a lot. If you look at an annual
It's like $5,000, I know.
rate on that, man, is $4,800. I don't know who's paying $4,800 annually. these
Nobody's
days.
paying a
Yeah.
1% tax rate
Yeah.
in Texas.
No way.
But again, there's a lot of loan officers that will fill out this fee sheet when I've talked about that before being pretty sketchy. They'll fill out this fee sheet and they'll put numbers in there knowing that they're not obligated to hold them to it. And it allows them, if they get shopped by another lender, to say, hey, look, I'm cheaper. Well, no, you're not. You just lied on your numbers to make yourself look cheaper.